Welcome to SKNR Max classes. Today I will discuss about integration formulas. First formula మనం డిస్కస్ చేసుకుందాం. ఇంటిగ్రల్ x power n dx equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Next integral dx equal to x plus c. Next integral 1 by x dx equal to log mod x plus c. Next integral e power x dx equal to e power x plus c. Next integral a power x dx equal to a power x by log a plus c. Next integral sin x dx equal to minus cos x plus c. Next integral cos x dx equal to sin x plus c. Next integral tan x dx equal to minus log mod cos x plus c. Next integral cot x dx equal to log mod sin x plus c. Next integral secant square x dx equal to tan x plus c. Next integral cosecant square x dx equal to minus cot x plus c. Next integral secant x tan x dx equal to secant x plus c. Next integral cosecant x cot x dx equal to minus cosecant x plus c. Next integral secant x dx equal to log mod secant x plus tan x plus c. Next integral cosecant x dx equal to log mod cosecant x minus cot x plus c. Next integral 1 by root 1 minus x square dx equal to sin inverse x plus c or minus cos inverse x plus c. Next integral 1 by 1 plus x square dx equal to tan inverse x plus c or minus cot inverse x plus c. Next integral 1 by mod x root x square minus 1 dx equal to secant inverse x plus c or minus cosecant inverse x plus c. Next integral sin hx dx equal to cos hx plus c. Next integral cos hx dx equal to sin hx plus c. Next integral secant h square x dx equal to tan hx plus c. Next integral cosecant h square x dx equal to minus cot hx plus c. Next integral secant hx tan hx dx equal to minus secant hx plus c. Next integral cosecant hx cot hx dx equal to minus cosecant hx plus c. Next integral 1 by root 1 plus x square dx equal to sin h inverse x plus c. Next integral 1 by root x square minus 1 dx equal to cos h inverse x plus c. Please do subscribe SKNR Max classes for more videos. Sorry for late. Thank you.